Hello friends, welcome to my channel Glowing Angel. I am Shomita back with a easy and unique nail art video today. But before starting, I want to say if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel please, and hit the bell button so you will get notified. So let's get started. At first I am taking a sponge and spread the 5 colors one by one to create the gradient effect. Now I am dabbing the sponge to my thumbnails to create the perfect gradient effect. I am repeating the same process to my other fingers also. Friends, right now I don't have a smudge free top coat, so I am using a clear polish instead of it before creating the design. To create the Instagram logo with a white polish and a pointed brush. Repeating the same process to the other snails also. angels, it's done now. Tell me how it looks. If you like it, then give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And please subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.